Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo S1 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy A30s. And A30s comes with Exynos 7904 chipset with 4 GB of RAM, while the Vivo S1 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 665 chipset with 8 GB of RAM. And A30s comes with a triple cameras on the back, and you can see versus a quad cameras on the back on the Vivo S1 Pro. So let's see how much a difference between the A30s and the Vivo S1 Pro when it comes of apps opening speed. So let's get right into it. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And you can see logo came up first, little bit faster on the A30s, followed by the Vivo S1 Pro. And let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And Vivo S1 Pro is running on Android 9 versus the same as the on the A30s. And both phones are is on the end, and you can see Vivo S1 Pro is a little bit faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A30s now it is also done about little bit faster on the Vivo S1 Pro, and about half a second difference between these devices. And both phones comes with a Super AMOLED display, but we have a full HD resolution on the S1 Pro versus a 720p resolution with the in-display fingerprint scanner as well on the A30s. Both phones comes with a water drop notch. So let's see the app's opening speed. Like always, everything is close up in the background, and you can see, and both phones are is on the same Wi-Fi network as well. So first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go, and you can see that seems like a little bit faster on the Vivo S1 Pro, followed by the A30s. So opening up the settings on both phones. Here we go, and again same result, little bit faster again on the S1 Pro, followed by the A30s. So opening up the my files on both phones, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. My files, and little bit faster on the A30s. So opening up the my clock on both phones. Here we go, and again a little bit faster on the A30s, followed by the Vivo S1 Pro. So opening up the calendar because I am interested in the RAM measurement performance as well. We have 8 GB RAM versus a 4 GB RAM, double the RAM on the Vivo S1 Pro calendar, and that is faster on the Vivo S1 Pro, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s. So now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. So here we go, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Vivo, I mean Samsung Galaxy A30s, it looks like faster. Yes, it is faster, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A30s is faster there. So next on the list is the Subway Surfer, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one in this Subway Surfer app. And Exynos 7904 versus a Snapdragon 665, and again Samsung Galaxy A30s is a little bit faster there, followed by the Vivo S1 Pro. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. Here we go, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And seems like this time Vivo S1 Pro is faster. Yes, it is a little bit faster than the Samsung Galaxy A30s. Not a huge difference I have to say, but 2 game uploading time it is faster on the A30s. Now it is also done on the A30 as well, and you can see in system based applications some are faster on the A30s and some application faster on the Vivo S1. But I have to say that the game uploading time it is faster on the A30s. 2 games app faster on the A30s, but 1 game app faster on the Vivo S1 Pro. Let's open up the YouTube on both phones. Here we go, and let's see, and you can see a Samsung Galaxy A30s is a little bit faster there, followed by the Vivo S1 Pro. And last I'm gonna launch in the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Here we go, and that is faster on the Vivo S1 Pro, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Vivo internet browser on the Vivo S1 Pro versus a Google Chrome on the Samsung Galaxy A30s. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Here we go, and you can see that is faster on the Vivo S1 Pro, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s, and scrolling looks very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out, and you can see no lag whatsoever. Next on the list is the wwe.com. It's a heavy website. Let's see. Here we go. And same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And seems like Vivo S1 Pro is a little bit faster. Yes, it is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A30s. And now A30s is also done. And let's see, scrolling. And you can see it looks very smooth on both phones. Feels very smooth as well. No lag whatsoever on both phones. Both phones perform really good. Let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement, and we have a 4GB RAM versus a 8GB RAM with a 128GB internal storage on the Samsung, Vivo S1 Pro. And phone dialer, no refresh on both phones, and settings that got refresh on the A30s. Let's see my files, and again refresh on the A30s. My clock, again refresh. Both phones is on the latest software version. Again refresh. Seems like A30s is not perform good in the RAM management so far. Candy Crush, and you can see again no refresh. Same, no refresh in the game. And you can see at last we are back to the internet browser, YouTube first, and then we are back to the internet browser where we left. And you can see overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A30s, because 2 game app loading time it is faster on the A30s, but 1 game app loading time it is faster on the Vivo S1 Pro. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Vivo S1 Pro, but many system-based application is refreshed on the Samsung Galaxy A30s. I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates on the A30s. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A30s versus the Vivo S1 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and let me know what kind of more videos you want to see regarding the Vivo S1 Pro. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.